We are working on problem number 16 of this semester 2 final exam. It says Coach Forrest is flying a kite. In PE class, the kite is flying at an angle of elevation from the ground at 64 degrees. It's actually marked on there for you. The kite has a vertical distance of 43 feet from the ground. So there's my 43 feet. So the kite vertically, 43 feet. But how many feet of kite string? So the kite string would be from here to here. That's what we're looking for. Okay. So we need to solve for this missing side. I have one side, I have an angle. That means we're going to use one of our trig functions. And with this angle, this is the opposite side of the triangle. Since my right angle is here, this is the hypotenuse. And once again, we're going to use the sine function because opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we're going to do the sine of the angle, 64 degrees, equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now, when the variable's in the denominator, there's a shortcut I taught you where you could take this whole thing over here and put it down here, and the x could say they're just going to trade places. So the x is going to equal 43 divided by the sine of 64 degrees. So this is what I'm plugging into my calculator. And let's move my calculator over this way a little bit. 43 divided by sine of 64. So 43 divided by sine 64 degrees equals, and we end up with 47.84. That 4 means the 8 stays the same, so 47.8. And this was in feet, so this would be 47.8 feet. And that is the answer to problem number 16.